Tanggalin ko na nga. Yan. So, madulas kasi pag naka-glove. So, hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So today, it's another tutorial Tuesday. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? So, one of our taillights are busted. So, tuturuan ko kayo how to replace a taillight of a 2011 Fortuner. So, first step, syempre, bubuksan muna natin yung pinto and then you need to check kung ano yung bulb na sira. So, in this case, ito yung sira nating bulb, yung brake light for our driver side. Kaya papalitan natin ngayon. So, first step, syempre, tatanggalin natin yung 2 screws dito. Makikita nyo, one here and one here. Alright, natanggal na natin yung dalawang screw. Medyo kalawangin pero it's okay. Old car naman. So most of the time, not necessary to this car. Minsan, medyo malapit sa ganitong itsura na car. Yung pagbaklas nila is mostly the same. So meron siya screw dito nakalabas. Minsan may takip pa dito. Tatanggalin mo na yung takip and then makikita mo yung screw. So pag natanggal mo na yung screw, mapapansin nyo hindi pa rin siya masyado matatanggal. This is an old car kaya medyo madali. Pag if it's a newer car, medyo matigas to minsan. Most likely, meron siyang clip kasi dito. So, anong gagawin nyo? Hihilain yung diretso palabas. Yan. So, madulas kasi pag naka-glove. So, ayan, may clip siya dito. Hihilain mo lang siya palabas. And then, ma-reveal yung kanyang mga wire. In this case, meron siyang isang plug dito. Tatanggalin lang natin yung plug. So, pindot. Then, hila. Ayan. Ito na yung inyong taillights. Yung nasirang bulb is actually yung brake light. So, pwede nyong pag-aralan pag natanggal nyo. Ayun o. So, meron tayong parang waterproofing na rubber. Ingatan nyo, tanggalin nyo. To the side muna. Then, ito yung i-replace natin na bulb. So, most of the time, same lang. Iikutin nyo lang to. Spin. And then, may hila nyo na siya. So, this is the bulb that we're gonna replace today. If you're guys at home, mas maganda kung medyo malakas kayo sa kamay. Much better protect yourself. Huwag nyo nang diretsohin to. Use something, a cloth, anything. Just press down, then turn. So, press down, twist, and then, mahila mo siya. So, this is the bulb that we're gonna replace. So, anong klaseng bulb to? Whether kung anong klaseng bulb na gagamitin nyo, you can do your research online. So, I think this is a 1157 or 1156. Basta double contact siya. Kung hindi kayo sigurado kung anong ilaw gagamitin nyo, pag natanggal nyo to, just bring this to a part store. Any auto supply, most likely meron silang ganitong replacement, and then just buy a new one and then just put everything back together. So in this case, actually hindi mo siya ma-install na baliktad kasi katulad nito, if you look closely, meron siya dalawang notch. Hindi pantay yung notch. Ayan o. This notch is lower, this notch is higher. So, hindi ka magkakamali sa pag-i-install. Well, another way to check if anong klaseng bulb ang gagamitin. Actually, most of the time, like 90% of the time, nakasulat sa ilaw itself. It doesn't matter if it's a headlight or it's a taillight. Katulad nito, actually nakasulat siya dito. So, for signal lights, it's PY21W amber. And then for the taillight, it's P21/5W. So, it's a P21 5 watts bulb. So, I got our new bulb. Ngayon, we're gonna return it. So, actually, makikita nyo dito, one side is higher, one side is lower. Katulad yan, makikita nyo, ayan, mas mataas yan, mas mababa dito. So, mas mataas itong notch, mas mababa itong notch. So, yan, papasok nyo lang ulit, push down, and then turn. Yan, so, it's back in its place. Pagkatapos nyo na ma-install to, babalik nyo naman dito sa kanyang lalagyan. So, just look at the notch. Pag okay na yung notch, pasok nyo lang dyan and then just turn it. So, dapat may click siyang ganyan. So, pag na-click na yan, tignan nyo, very, ano na siya, stable na siya. Hindi siya dapat magalaw or anything. So, pag ganyan, ibig sabihin you're done. So, the next step is return this rubber. Yan, so this rubber is to prevent water from getting in your taillight. In this kind of old cars, hindi na talaga maiwasan yung luma na yung rubber. So, in this case, hindi ko napapalitan. Pero if sigurista kayo, gusto nyo like ayaw nyo may water na pumapasok dito, you can also buy this at a parts store. Pero normally sa parts store na pang Toyota talaga. So you cannot get this anywhere. Baka minsan kasa ka makakabili ng ganito. So in this case, hindi na natin papalitan. Actually, hindi naman siya pinapasokan ng tubig. So ito pa rin ikakabit natin. So after returning this rubber, pwede na nating i-return yung tail light. So what are the steps kanina? Number 1, ibalik muna natin itong socket. So pag nabalik nyo, make sure may click. Yan. After nyo na balik yung socket, ngayon, babalik natin yung buong tail light. So make sure na tumatapat yung clip siya dito sa side. Ayan. Put it in here, and then push. Ayan. Naka-clip na tong side, then ibabalik natin tong screw sa gilid. So pag na-clip nyo yung taillight, balik nyo lang yung screws. So hand tight muna, huwag nyong i-tool agad kasi minsan baka ma-loose thread yung inyong screw. Hand tight nyo muna yung screw. Yan, once na hand tight nyo na, pwede nyo nang higpitan pa konti-konti. Don't forget na pag nagta-tighten kayo ng ganitong screw, lalo na kung plastic siya, huwag sobrang higpit. Basta yung tamang higpit lang should be good. Huwag na yung mahigpit na siya and then pinipilitan nyo pa rin ihigpitan, madali mabasag yung plastic. So in this case, basta turn it until it yeah. Pag medyo ayaw na siya umikot, that's already good. So ngayon, napalitan na natin yung bulb. Testing natin yung ilaw. Dito muna kayo, bubuksan ko. So ayan, it works now. So if you guys think this is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see you next time. Goodbye!